Video number 2. So they are actually, the pumper is pumping concrete. You can see it coming out the bottom. There's a gentleman walking around spreading it. There's a guy pushing it around, and there's a couple of guys standing next to him screeding it. And then there's a gentleman over there who's got a yellow control box, which is a remote control unit that actually controls the boom, which is way up over here and way up over there, and then comes down over here, and you can't see it because it's behind the wall. But he has a remote control unit that can control the boom and turn on the pump and turn off the pump and make it go any which way he wants to.